This room don't echo like it used to do. Your laughter's gone, but the silence grew. The bed stays cold, but the scent still clings, like the ghost of love, forgotten things. I washed them twice, even changed the bed, but it's like your ghost lives here instead. I can still smell us in the sheets, in the blankets, like your soul stayed behind when you vanished. Perfume and pain, mixing linen and static, and I'm stuck here with memories I didn't plan to manage. The dog don't bark at the door no more. He knows better, he knows you're not yours. Dishes done, rent paid, but what's the cost? Got peace in the place, but it still feels lost. No matter how far I run or roam, you left your scent in the threads of home. I can still smell us in the sheets and the blankets, like your soul stayed behind when you vanished. Perfume and pain, mixing linen and static, and I'm stuck here with memories I didn't plan to manage. Your door, but your shadow still rouse around me, and that's it, so higher than your money. You're gone, but your shadow still wraps around me, and that scent still louder than your face.